This is the formula for our sequence. A sequence is just a list of numbers that follow a certain pattern. So to find a particular one, what you do is you take the 1, 2 behind it. That's what a sub n minus 2 means, and you square it minus the number right below. So let's say you had the numbers 1, 3, 5, 7, okay? And well, that's not going to be a good example. Let me do it without numbers. If I was trying to find this number right there, I would take the number here, that's 2 behind it, and I would square it, and then I would subtract off the number right behind it because that's n minus 1. So this problem they're asking us to find a, we're trying to figure out a sub 7, so let's just work our way up, okay? So let's find a sub 3. Well, a sub 3, you're going to take, I'll write it out this one time. A sub 3 minus 2 and square it minus a sub 3 minus 1. A sub 3 minus 2, that's a sub 1 squared minus a sub 2. So see how this a sub 1 is 2 behind a sub 3? A sub 1 is given to be 2, so it's going to be 2 squared minus a sub 2, which is given, and 4 minus 1 equals 3. So now a sub 4. A sub 4 will be a sub 2 minus a sub 3. A sub 2 is 1, and I'm going to square that. That's going to be 1 squared minus 3, and 1 squared minus 3 is negative 2. And then I'm going to find a sub 5. A sub 5 will be a sub 3, which is 3 squared, minus the 1 behind it, a sub 4, negative 2. That's 9 plus 4. Let me see, 9 plus 2, I'm sorry. 9 plus 2 is 11. And that's a sub 5. And then a sub 6 is going to be 2 behind it. That's a sub 4, negative 2 squared, minus the 1 behind it, a sub 5, which is 11. So that's going to be 4 minus 11, which 4 minus 11 is a negative 7. And the very last one we're trying to find, a sub 7 is going to be a sub 5, 11 squared minus the 1 behind it, which is a negative 7. 11 squared is 121, plus 7 is 128. So there's my answer.